Magpapakabit si client ng dashcam. Kompleto yung features niya. Pwede mo siya i-access through phone app. Another good news, we do offer home service. Message mo lang kami. Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Tiger Garage. So today, another project here. So this is a 2008 na Yaris. Naka-body kits and naka-mugs. So cool car. Anong papagawa ni client? So actually, magpapakabit si client ng dashcam. So this is one of our new products. This is a G-Net. It's a dashcam made in Korea that uses Sony camera. So super malinaw siya. Super dami siyang features. So dalawang camera, front and rear. And then one of the other best things dito, wala na siyang screen. If you're driving at nights, one of the things I don't like about traditional dashcams, pag nagdadrive ka sa gabi, kailangan mo pang patayin yung screen or nakakasilaw siya sa'yo. So ito, wala na siyang screen. Lagi lang siya nagre-record ng record. And then if you need to play back the videos, pwede mo siya i-access through phone app. And then i-connect mo lang siya through Wi-Fi. Then makukuha mo na yung kailangan yung footage. So anong mga advantage na na-install ng dashcam? Number one, syempre for safety purposes, in case na may nangyari na accidents, sana naman hindi, or may nangyari na incidents na kailangan nyo i-replay. So mache-check mo siya lahat. And then syempre, maiwasan mo din yung fraud. Kung wari na bangga ka, pero hindi naman totoo. So, yan yung mga evidence to protect yourself. And then, if yung mga minor accidents, meron ka rin proof na accident talaga siya to show the insurance people para ma-claim ang inyong insurance. So, papa-install na natin to, front and back. So, actually, si client meron din siyang naka-install na old dashcam. Pero, yun nga, medyo outdated na. Kaya magpapalit na ng bago si client. So, another good news, we do offer home service. Kaya if you're interested, message mo lang kami. We can go to you. Kasi alam namin, busy kayo, kaya nag-offer kami ng ganitong service. So, as I always say, wait till see. Let's go! So, before natin i-install, syempre, testing muna natin yung camera and yung wirings natin kung maayos siya. Itatry din natin i-connect sa app kung okay yung connection niya through app before natin i-finish up everything. So, this is our first time connecting, kaya medyo matagal. Pero ayun, once na naka-connect, magsasalita siya, then naka-connect ka na. Pwede na natin i-check yung kanyang footages. So, this is the front camera. Kulay blue siya kasi meron pa siyang blue na tape. Ayun yung rear cam. Kulay blue pa rin siya kasi hindi pa natanggal yung protection. Tinatanggal namin yung protection normally pag natapos na installation. So, now at least we're sure na okay yung cameras niya, okay yung wirings natin. Ayusin na natin lahat and then we're clean up everything. Alright, natapos na yung installation natin. Makikita nyo, nakatago lahat ng wiring. So, ito yung bagong dashcam natin. Very clean siya dito. So, wiring niya, diretso sa pataas. Wala na siyang naka-excess. Wala nang alam mo yung may nakalaylay na wire dito, nakasaksak sa 12-volt socket. So, yung mga ganyan na installations is pang amateur. It's very, very unprofessional tignan. And very messy kasi mahirap may wire pa dito dangling. And also dangerous. So, nakatago na lahat yan. Naka-hardwire siya sa fuse box. So, everything is also fused. So don't worry, it's safe. This is a front cam. And then yun nga guys, bakit matagal ang installation namin? Kasi yung wiring na papunta sa rear cam, tinago rin namin lahat sa nakatago. So tingnan natin doon sa likod. Ayan. So makikita nyo, yung wiring, tinago namin lahat. Dinaanan namin dito sa loob and then dinaanan namin sa grommet and then papunta dito. So, wala siyang very messy na wire na nakalaylay or something like that. And it's safe and clean tignan. So ayan. If you guys are interested in this item or this service, just give us a message and let us make it happen. Oh, don't forget. So as of now, we're giving free home service if you're around Parañaque. We can also cater outside Parañaque, anywhere Metro Manila, anywhere within Luzon, or kahit Mindanao pa kayo. Basta message lang kayo. So let us see you next time. Goodbye!